Hi my friends, welcome back to Cinderella Sweets and Treats Kitchen. Today we're doing every plate. We have been getting this box for a couple of weeks now and I thought why not show you what we got, especially with things going on and it's hard to find eggs and milk and bread and all other kinds of things. With every plate you're at least guaranteed 3 meals for the week. We get the 2 serving size meals for 2 servings in each meal, so that's basically 6 servings. The every plate box is about $4.99 a meal, so ours is $30 for the box plus about $8.99 shipping. And I just thought I'd show you how it comes, what comes in it, and how it's packaged. So in the box, it comes very insulated. On the top is your everyday your every plate pamphlet and your meal cards. Inside here is a little box with your produce. It comes in here, all your grains, your produce, your condiments that you need to make stuff. And this box is perfect because I leave everything in it like this, put it in my fridge, and I'm good to go. Every time I need to cook a meal, I just pull the whole box out, get the ingredients out I need, and put it back in the fridge. It's the perfect size. Then underneath your produce comes an ice pack, which is still frozen. And then your meats are sandwiched between the ice packs. And then the bottom ice pack, which I plan on reusing these whenever we're allowed to, roam around a little bit and go do stuff. These would be perfect to put in your ice chest to keep things cold. But I thought it'd be fun to unbox it and show you everything that comes in with the meal kit. So you get your pamphlet from every plate that tells you what every plate is all about. And you get your 3 meal cards. And our meals this time, we got the Farmer's Market Penne. We got the ginger soy barbecue pulled chicken bowl. And we got the pork sausage linguini Italiano. Those are the 3 that we picked. You can pick which ones you want. They have like 3 that are just kind of like a given. And then you can change them up to whatever meal you want. So these are the 3 we got. So let's see what we got. So for the pork sausage linguini Italiano, of course, we have our pork sausage. We also have a large pepper right here. This looks really fresh. Large pepper, garlic. Here's our garlic. Linguini pasta. Right here. And tomato paste, which your condiments, they're going to come usually in a little bag like this. So here's our tomato paste. And then cream cheese. Little cream cheese sauce. And shredded Parmesan. A little pack of shredded Parmesan. So for the first meal, this is everything that you're going to get. The meat, the noodles, the veggies, the sauces to put in, and the cheese. So this is perfect. And on each of these cards, it'll tell you how long it should take to prep, how long it should take you to cook the meal, what the finished product is going to look like. These are all the ingredients that are in here, all these ingredients. There are going to be a couple little things that you're going to need, like butter and vegetable oil, sometimes flour, sugar, things like that. On the back, they have some little chef tips, and then it lists all the steps that you're going to follow to make a delicious meal. I couldn't remember what this said. I was trying to read it, but I'm like, I can't see and I can't read backwards. But yeah, this is going to be all the ingredients for this meal. So this will be yummy. And then our next card is, we have the Farmer's Market Penne. So for this, you will need a zucchini, a tomato, a little Roma tomato, some button mushrooms, also the garlic, a lemon, and chives. And I love that all the herbs come in these little packages, just like at the grocery store, the little package of herbs. And you need the penne, of course. and another cream little cream cheese sauce, and shredded Parmesan. So here are all the ingredients to make this. And then the third meal is going to be the ginger soy barbecue chicken. And you have your barbecue chicken. Then you will need soy sauce right here. Rice. A Parisian cucumber. Look how little. This is the cutest little cucumber I've ever seen. A carrot. A lime. Your scallions. I like how they come individually packaged. And your ginger. And that's it for that. It's very few ingredients, but it's very nice. It's very simple. It's very easy. The ingredients are very straightforward. I like that on the ingredients, it'll also, like, the ingredients in your box will be in bold, and then in the blue, it'll say, like, you can do 2 servings, 4 servings, and it'll tell you kind of in the blue. And then on actually here, it gives you the ingredients for 2 servings or 4 servings. So say you just need 1 cucumber. If this was the 4 serving, then you would use the 2. So that's really good that it gives you the options for both. It doesn't have the 6 serving on here, but I'm sure it's going to be pretty much just another cucumber for more. But this is perfect. We love these. My kids love to make these. I don't have to cook dinner anymore because they're kind of up-and-coming chefs. They love to be in the kitchen. They love to cook. So I don't have to worry about cooking anymore. They just decide what they want to make, and they make it. And I just sit back and do the dishes when they're done. Because, I mean, that's kind of the rule in our house. If you're going to cook, you don't have to do the dishes. That's why I usually like cooking, because I don't like doing the dishes. And I love to cook. So it's a nice change, though, to let them cook and get that experience before they go out in the world. And I plan on taking these recipe cards for the older one. And when he leaves, give him these. That way, even if he's not getting a meal box or anything, he can still, you have all the ingredients you need, and you can easily go replicate this just from grocery store ingredients. But that is that. And then I will set all these up, separate them, so you can see what comes with each meal. But I hope you like that. I hope you try a subscription box. If you do, or if you already get one, or if you already get every plate, let me know how you like it. If you get another meal subscription box, let me know, because I've been wanting to try the others. This is just the first one that I've tried, and I really like it. So I'm interested to see, like, how this compares to, like, HelloFresh or Blue Apron and all those others. I've heard some things about some of them, and I'm like, I don't know. And some of them are kind of expensive, but this one is very affordable, very economical. But let me know what you think about every plate, if you get it, or the other subscription boxes. If you think there's one that I might like better, or that you like better, or just let me know. And I will get all these separated, and I will show you how each of these come. Okay, so here are all the ingredients that you're going to need to make the pork sausage linguine Italiano. And the second meal is for the farmer's market penne. Here are all the ingredients you're going to need for this meal. And then the third meal is the ginger soy pulled barbecue chicken bowl. And here are all the ingredients for that. Super easy, super fun. Told you I'm bad at the camera. But I'm really good at cooking. So this is super fun. My boys love to do this. I'll ask them tonight which meal they want to make, and we will pick one and make it. But I hope if you're thinking about getting a box subscription meal or anything like that, every plate is really good. It's really easy. Everything comes fresh. Everything you need is in the box for you. Just a few things that you need that you probably already have, like oil, butter, things like that, flour. And this is a really, really fun box. Like I said, my boys really enjoy helping cook and helping make this, and they make it on their own. They'll come in and say, "Can I make this?" And I was like, "Sure, go ahead." And they just start making it. So if you have a young aspiring chef, this is something really fun and really, really easy for them to get into cooking and start to really love making food for themselves. And actually making your food yourself is usually a lot less expensive than, trying to feed a family of four eating out every day. But yeah, this is awesome. And especially right now when I can't find eggs and I can't find all kinds of stuff. This is perfect because you're guaranteed your 3 meals every week. And if anything's wrong with the meal, or like last week, I think we had our zucchini was broken in half for some reason. So I just sent him a little chat and said, hey, this and this was missing and this was whatever. And they said they'll give you a refund for what you were missing or what was, not right in the box, which is really, really good. So that's exciting that they really take pride in making sure that you're happy with their meals. And we love them, and we can't wait to keep getting this box. So also one thing I wanted to show you is that every plate has an app for your phone. And when you open up the app, let me get a good angle, it will show you your delivered meals, the meal that we got today, and then your scheduled meals that are coming up for the next couple of weeks. And then on the scheduled meals, they give you a certain amount of time before it cuts off and you can't change anymore. But until that time, you click change meals, and it's a little bit easier on the computer, but you can still do it on the app. And you can just scroll through, look at the meals, and then when you click on them, it'll show you the picture. It's just like the meal card, basically. And prep time, the nutritional information, allergens, all the ingredients that will be coming in with this meal, and then the extra things that you'll need. Also, it will show you the step-by-step instructions. And this is perfect for us blind people that can't see very well. It's actually, you can see it a little bit larger, and you can scroll through. And I believe the website will also have this information too, but it's really nice having it on the app. And then there are some premium meals that for the premium, it's usually things like steak, fish, beef, steak, fish, shrimp, stuff like that. And let me find one. Here's one. Crispy baked tilapia, because it is a fish. It's a premium meal, and you can upgrade to that if you want. It's an option. $2.99 per serving is what you would pay extra for that, for the upgrade. And then on some of them, they will have where you can customize it to where this one is the honey glazed pork chops. If you're not really into pork, you can customize it, and you can change your pork to chicken. Others will be chicken, and you can change your chicken to pork. So it's really customizable. Very, very nice. I really like the app for here. And I usually let the kids go through and pick what meals they want for the weeks, and that's what we get. And usually whenever you go in here to change them, the first 3 meals are the ones that are picked for you. And then all you have to do is click and change, and it's really super easy to change if you want to change meals, or if you want to change your serving size. You can also put a hold on your meals. Like say you're going to go out of town vacation, you can put a hold on it, or you can stop the meals coming at any time. It's not like a subscription where you're locked in for a certain amount of time. But it's a fun little app. I just thought I'd show you that real quick. But let me know what you think, and we will pick a meal to make later. See ya!